Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Shazam and how I made Shazam. So you can see Shazam here. Shazam plus his wings and the body. Even these shoes, the full body and hands and face. You can see the back of the face also. So it's very easy for making the legs and this joining here inside the body, nothing is there. So this is a DC hero. You can see that I made, there are full designs here. So you don't need to go to YouTube for the drawings. So I don't have any videos in Shazam. So I went for Google and typed how to draw Shazam. So I drew it in a piece of paper. Then I modified it into this place. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So you need 1.5 A4 size paper. Then it should be divided to the scale. The scale 4 centimeter. So the paper will be like this. And then the scale 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. But first you have to make the A4 size into half. Then you have to make 4 centimeter 9 tubes. Not 9 tubes, 4 centimeters, because this is also in 4 centimeter. Now this is 4, I think. I found them. So 8 tubes, this same size, it's 4 centimeter, and 9 tubes should be a little more fatter. And remember, this is like 6 centimeter. It should be very fat, and this should be in the half paper. Then this, you take a piece of cardboard and you make it how big you want. Then you stick it the tape like this. Then here also you can have some extra protection. Then here also you can have some same thing. And for joining it, don't stick the paper outside, the inside. From the inside one sellotape, so it won't be damaging. And one inside one sellotape, then all like that, inside one sellotape, and this inside sellotape, and here sellotape, and here sellotape. And the wings should be sellotaped here inside. First you stick the wings, then last the head. Should be more easy for making. And this is very easy. You make this 6 centimeter paper, then just draw it, then just do like this. A very easy drawing. Just do down, up. So down, it touches here and goes up and touches here. And the face is too easy to make, so you have to make it up, down, down. Then you make a line, full line, and color it up and down orange. Then here you do your own designs. I did like this, and eyes. Then color it orange. I did marker and did like this. That's it. The Shazam and little body should be shown here. And if you want, you can also make hand, which is good. And also many other protections here, so it won't tear. I used magic tape for doing this, Scotch magic tape. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. You can also see my other videos like how to make Godspeed, how to make Captain America, and then many other heroes. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.